Hello, you're with Libby Dyson from libbystamps.com, and I'm an independent Stampin' Up demonstrator in Australia, and this week I'm featuring ink on my blog, and I thought I'd come in and show you how I've done this. I'm not terribly happy with it, but I thought we could make one similar but improve it. What I've used for this is the new stamp set Winter Woods, which comes with these beautiful dies called In the Woods Framelit dies. And look how clever is this. We've got two of these. You could use these for winter, or you could use them for Halloween even, as broomsticks, or, you know, whatever. This tree is really great. Just see if I can grab this, because it's got all these little leaves that are cut out, and when you die cut it, it die cuts those leaves. So I'll bring this up a bit closer so you can see. And I've used the shimmer, the new shimmer glimmer paper. Gee, that's a mouthful. Anyway, Winter Woods and its framelits will be in the holiday catalogue, so don't forget to look for those on September 5. So I've used some shimmery white paper for this, and I've backed it on Night of Navy. I haven't finished this card yet, but I will. I wasn't terribly happy with the sentiment, so I'm going to work on that, whether I put something over it or do something. Anyway, so we're going to make a similar card. And what I thought I'd do this time that's different to last time is use A different colour, and B, use my Stamparatus. So I'll just grab that out. Alright, so I'm just going to pop my card on there, and then I'm going to get out the stamp from the Winter Woods Clear Mount stamp set. Now, if you buy wood mount, you can't then use it with your Stamparatus. So I buy clear mount. A, it's cheaper. B, you can use it for your Stamparatus. And C, it doesn't take up quite so much storage space. So I might lift these trees a bit this time. Put them about there. And then that gives me room to put another tree there. And I've cut out some of these little broomsticky type trees in the shimmer glimmer paper. So we're going to use those today as well. So I think that's positioned fairly well. So I'll just pop that there. Close the hinge plate. Pop something under the hinge plate so it's at the same level. And this time I'm going to use basic grey. Ink it up with your ink. Give it a bit of a twist. And I think this is going to work better already. And stamp down. I want it to sort of be in the background, but I don't want it to be quite as pale as the last one. There, I think that's better. But I'm going to leave the stamp there while I ink around the outside. Now this week I'm looking at inks. Now to clean up, I'm going to use my Simply Chamois, and if you haven't got one of these yet, you desperately need one. Can I tell you, it is great for cleaning up. Just wipe your stamp over and it's all done. Pop it back in a clear mount case, ready to go away. Alright, so I'm just going to take this out and close this over in case I need it again. Alright, so now we come in with some Stampin' Sponges, and what I do with my Stampin' Sponges I can't see the right colours there. I usually cut them in sixths. So I cut them in half, then each half into thirds. Alright, that gives you a pointy piece, and I usually staple a bit of cardstock. Alright, so I'm coming in, still using basic grey, and I'm going to start off the mat and come in and swirl around. And so you can do all these things with ink. It's just marvellous. And buy ink this week before the end of the week, by the 31st. And I will give $2 to the farmers. Plus I've got a special. If you buy 5 inks, I'll send you a 6th one free. You just tell me what colour you want, and I will get that sent out to you for free. Plus you get your normal thank you gift, and you help the farmers at the same time. So can't get much better than that, can you? Alright, so I'm just going to come in and make this all a little bit darker around here. Oops. And you can add some hilly bits if you want to make it look like there's sort of a bit of a hilly background there. That depends on the pressure that you use. When you sponge, don't know that my sponging's that good, but you get the idea. And usually starting off the card is best. I don't always remember that, but that gives you a nice even colour. And I just try and make sure the corners are about the same in density. So a little bit more. Alright, then I'm going to come in with some balmy blue. Add some more colour over that. Aren't these ink pads lovely? Just beautiful. So slimline and easy to use. And great ink, which has deep foamer in it. Works beautifully. So now I'm putting on some balmy blue to give that sort of bluey tone to the top of the card. It's going down into that tree line a little bit. You can add more grey later if you want to. That's coming along alright. Just go in with a bit more grey here. Alright, so now don't forget you can join my team. If you join before the 5th of September, you can add holiday catalogue items to your kit. How good is that? Your kit's $169. It's the best kit Stampin' Up have going. So for $169, you choose $235 worth of product. You get about $85 in business builders stuff, so catalogues and order forms and things like that. You can hand out to friends and family. We can keep them or whatever you want to do with them. It's up to you. And free postage. So postage on itself is worth about $16. So you get that free. So it works out to be about $320 or more. Probably more than that you get for $169, so you can't get much better than that. Alright, so we've used basic grey and balmy blue on that. Just going to move those to one side. And then I'm going to come in this time with my embossing buddy. Before I do that, I might just do this bit a little bit darker so that the sentiment shows up better. I'll go along the whole of the bottom. Alright, so in with the embossing buddy. Then I need a block and the sentiment, which with this set says, thinking of you this season. So I'm just going to line that up on my, alright, and then we're going to use some Versamark and some white emboss powder. Alright, so Versamark, then I'm going to come down and put that about there. Put some white emboss powder on it. Embossing powder is grabbing on everything, so I'm just going to get a brush here. It's a bit hard to tell whether it's embossed powder or down the side here. Give it a good whack. Okay, that should do. Put all this away. I'll get out my heat tool and give it a zap. Alright, that's looking better. Now, while I've still got that stamp out, I'll take it off my Stamparatus and we'll use it to stamp our background in our envelope. So, again with basic grey, and I'm putting these two together, and I'll get a block, probably like that, and with the block, ink it up. So this is called Winter Woods, and don't forget, if you want to join my team, just message me, and I'd be happy to help you, and I'd happy to help you answer any questions that you've got. And if you join before the 5th of September, you can put holiday catalogue items, products in your kit, and this is one of those. There we go. And then, so we've got the inside of our card and the envelope done. Get rid of the ink. We need some Night of Navy, I think we'll use for our card base. I think that'll look nice. So in with Night of Navy, so it's 14.9 centimetres by 21 centimetres, scored and folded at 10.5. In Imperial, that's 5.5 by 8.5, scored and folded at 4.25. The top layer is 14.4 centimetres by 10 centimetres, or 5.25 inches by 4 inches. And I will have all these measurements on my blog. There we go. Now, in with some trees. And I'm going to, I'll add these first. Maybe one there, maybe. Alright, let's see. Now, just use your paper piercing tool to push these little bits out and give them, you know, a bit of definition. I'm just going to use fine tip glue pen. On the other one I used mini Stampin' Dimensionals, which work, so you can use those. Just remember with the fine tip glue pen too that you get, for some reason, if you leave it 10 seconds or so to start to dry, it'll stick a bit better than if you put it straight on. So I usually, you know, put some glue on something else, so I can go on these two sticky trees. So just a bit down the middle, and we're nearly done. Same on this one. If you're wondering about the bandage on my hand, I think I have carpal tunnel syndrome, so I have to go to the doctor, and I'm not too happy about that. But anyway, these things happen, and there are people a lot worse off than I, so no use complaining. Bandage it and get on with it. Okay, so I was cleaning up my embossing tubs today. I found a pair of tweezers. Things you find in the weirdest places. I'm going to push that down, and then I need to put something on it. Right, then add this one. I feel very sticky. If in doubt, come in with some Tombow. I think I left it to dry too long. There we go. That's got to be straight. Let's pop a bit of liquid glue on the back of this too. So it's got these little knobby bits, so you can pop some glue on there where the branches join, like my technical jargon, knobby bits. So that one's going on there, and then this one, we'll put some more glue on its knobby bits. Maybe it should be knobbly bits. I don't know. I think I'm just digging myself a deeper hole here. Alright, now don't forget to like this video. Leave me a comment if you like. I always reply to the comments, and I love getting comments from you. So subscribe to my channel, and don't forget, I've got inks on special this week. Buy 5, get the 6th one free from me. That's Libby at libbystamps.com. and I'm an independent Stampin' Up demonstrator in Australia. And we're just going to do, I don't know why I did that. We're going to put the inside of the card on. I think I've stamped on the wrong side. Yes, never mind. Postman won't be happy, but it's not a naked envelope. Something on it. Put that in there. Okay, now I just want to add one more thing. Alright, so this is Dazzling Diamonds, and I am going to use my fine tip glue pen because I'm going to come in and just add some little dots here and there on my card and on the trees. Alright, let's see. So we've used basic grey and balmy blue ink with this, apart from the Versamark. Versamark's not included in my special. All the classic inks are. Alright, so down there. Alright, tip it off one way, tip it off another way. Alright, and there's our card, complete with little sparkles. Some of those sparkles will come off later, but the ones that we put on with the fine tip glue pen, I think you can see those quite easily. And we've used Winter Woods and the In the Woods framelit dies with basic grey and balmy blue ink, Versamark and white emboss powder, and we used the sponging technique today on, and we've layered it up on Night of Navy. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and shop with me, Libby at libbystamps.com. Go to my website, libbystamps.com, click on the shop button and shop online. Use the current hostess code for an extra thank you gift. Okay, that's it for now. Thanks so much for stopping by. Bye for now. Try to draw outside the line. Let us see inside your mind. You'll find